Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bilal, and I was enrolled in the program for Canada, SINP. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah and the powerful team of the Army Associates, I have received my PR, and they've been really good. Since day one, they've been very vigilant about my case. They were very hardworking, and they would call me and let me know all the details, and they were up to date on my case. And I was in continuously contact with Korea and Harun. They were very supportive, and I recommend the Army Associates to anybody who wants professional people working on their immigration case.